Here's something that most people never get to see. The hardest person in real estate to win over is not your own client. It's the person sitting across the table from you. We are the Flowers team. We've sold homes in Milton for 25 years, and we've been ranked #1 in this town since 2009. And one of the proudest signals has nothing to do with a review. It comes from a buyer that we negotiated against. Here's how it happened. Someone buys a home, and on that deal, we're representing the seller, the other side. Years go by. When the buyer is finally ready to sell their own home, they call us. And they say a version of the same sentence almost every time. When we bought our house from you, you were representing the seller. And we knew we didn't want to go up against you again. You did a great job for the sellers. We just knew that we wanted you on our side. Think about what that takes. Your own client sees your best work and it's pointed at them. So of course, they're happy. The other side sees the same work being pointed against them, and they feel every bit of the pressure. To win that person over so completely that they have to hire you years later, you cannot fake it. There is no marketing for it. It only exists if the work is real when someone is watching from the chair across the table. The reason it converts is one word, and that one word has everything to do with what we are built on. That's protection. A buyer who negotiated against us watch us protect the other party at every step. And that very human thought, next time, I want to be the one who's protected. That's not a sales pitch. That's someone deciding that they would rather be represented by us than on the other side, when they got to see exactly what it looked like. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Milton, we would love to be on your side of the table.